Yes. So I think that the result is according to the performance, because we were the best team on the pitch. We had a lot of opportunity. We create an attractive football, and I think the only save of Aishi Manula is at the last minute. So this win is totally deserved. So I would like to congratulate the players because they made a very good game from the beginning. They respect the instruction we said before. So we knew it was a good opponent, but I think we had the management and the tempo of the game during 90 minutes. So it was, the first target was to win this first game at home. So we win with 3-0. It's a good result, but now we need already to focus on the next game in Vita, because we are ambitious in this competition.
Any question?
Coach, last game was win, big goal, big win. How does it feel for you? You know, we are playing a mini league, so it means that we still have 5 games, but it's already 3 points. So these 3 points, they are there. Now we have to move 2 times to 1 time in Vita, 1 time in Al Ahly. We will try to take some points there, but we know that when we are playing at home with 60,000 fans, I think we can face any team. We can face any team. So now just a good recovering and to prepare the game of next weekend. The only wrong point and black point of this afternoon is the injury of John. Otherwise, everything was perfect. En français? En français, si vous voulez. Donc je disais simplement que le résultat était totalement mérité par rapport à la performance, parce que je pense qu'on était de loin la meilleure équipe sur le terrain. On a eu beaucoup d'opportunités, on a eu le contrôle du match, on a contrôlé le tempo comme on voulait. Et c'est simplement à la dernière minute que notre gardien a eu un arrêt à faire, parce qu'offensivement, Saoura n'a pas été dangereux. Donc ça, c'est la vérité de ce match-ci, mais on sait très bien que le match retour ne sera pas du tout pareil. Mais pour nous, de commencer par une victoire en marquant 3 points, c'est extrêmement important avant 2 déplacements au Congo et en Égypte. I think that, we play at home, we scored 3 times, we didn't concede goal, and we made a strong performance. We make a strong performance. That's the most important right now. So now, you know that we had a competition midweek, and now we have also to think about that. I will send 3 or 4 players tomorrow for the final of the Mapinduzi Cup, but for sure, the target was today, and we did it, so it's a good thing. Je tiens à vous signaler que dans mon équipe, là, il y a 3 joueurs qui avaient joué la Champions League seulement. Kagere, Wawa et Chama. Tous les autres n'ont jamais joué la Champions League. Donc, au niveau expérience, c'était tout à fait pareil. Et vous savez comme moi que le championnat algérien est un des top 3 en Afrique, ce qui n'est pas le cas du championnat tanzanien. Donc ça veut dire que toutes les semaines, la JS Saoura, elle rencontre des équipes qui sont très costaudes, ce qui n'est pas notre cas. Donc au niveau expérience, je pense que c'était vraiment pareil, puisque je dis 3 joueurs de chez moi seulement avaient joué la Champions League. Donc c'est à peu près pareil.
Last question.
It's okay? Maybe John?
Yeah, it's John.
John, come on.
Kiswahili napiga. Kiswahili, si ndio? No. Mchezo ulikuwa mzuri, tunamshukuru Mungu tumemaliza na ushindi.